I crashed. Today I'm going to be looking at reinforcing the body on my Traxxas / 4x4. Okay, reason being, it started to sustain a little bit of damage, and a replacement body can set you back in excess of £50, which is a lot of money to be spending on replacing the body. So I'm going to reinforce this one and get some more life out of it. So the damage that I sustained recently, if you can see there, I rolled it on tarmac. It wasn't a massive crash, but as I say, I rolled the car on tarmac and thought I'd lost one of these body clips. Okay, thought I'd lost it, but when I looked, it was actually sat still connected to the body mount. It just pulled through the actual body itself. Not sure you can see there, but there's a bit of a crack where the pin had pulled through the body. So what I'm going to do before that gets worse is reinforce the body. I'm going to go low tech and reinforce it with Gorilla Tape. I had a look at this stuff online. Cost me about £5 for a roll, and it should do the trick. So fairly straightforward. I'm going to give it a bit of a clean. Just use some water and some tissues just to clean it, so I'm not putting any sort of chemicals on there that will affect the stickiness of the tape. And then tape it up and see how we get on. There you go. All nice and clean now, ready for taping up. So the areas I'm going to concentrate on, at the edges, you can see some of the decals are coming away there. Black tape should actually cover up the spots where the decal is coming away, and the holes for the body mounts. They're your sort of weak spots. So all around the edges, and over the holes for the body mounts, and of course the damaged area there. Okay, so here we have the finished product, if you will, reinforced with the Gorilla Tape. So there you go, reinforced along the edges, reinforced where the body mounts go, and that's it. You could do the whole lot if you wanted, but I figured with the Traxxas onboard audio, if I reinforced the entire body, it'd muffle the sound. My kids quite enjoy the sound. I know a lot of you don't, but as I say, we get quite a kick out of it. So we've decided just to reinforce these parts. So there you go. Reinforced, should get a bit more life out of it. Plenty of flexibility in the Gorilla Tape, but it'll just give it that bit more resilience and hopefully prevent any further cracks or damage. If you like the video, then like it and subscribe. Future videos coming up. I will be replacing these body mounts with the Proline body mounts that don't require the horrible body pins, which I'm not a fan of. They've damaged the body on the slash and they're just ugly. They take away from the realism. So I'll be upgrading them. I also have on order the Proline Desert Eagle body, which I will be painting and setting up on those body mounts. So as I say, if you like the videos, then subscribe and see what I do next with this Traxxas slash. Okay, thank you.